guys, and welcome back to another Friday vlog. Today we show you around the Intercontinental Hotel and give you a tour of our room. We decided to bring our niece visiting from Cleveland and our little cousin from Vegas on this road trip. You will see their first impression and our second.
Hi, Mrs. Fancy. This is the fanciest parking garage.
Alrighty, we have made it. We are staying the Intercontinental. Almost got hit by the door. Isn't that beautiful? Fun fact, Max and I stayed here the weekend we eloped and got married. Some more fun facts. It also has a double-deck high-speed elevator that gets you from the first floor to the 70th floor in less than 40 seconds. Wow.
Supposedly it was, somebody told me they're closing at 6.
Oh, okay.
But just try to check it out.
Yeah.
It might still be 8.
I hope so.
Yeah.
It's 6 now.
This is so nice. I know, right?
We just ran.
Did you push anything?
No, I think it just goes to this edge. I think he does it.
Okay.
There's the food, rooftop lounge, Spire 73, that's the one. Yeah, I hope that pool is open till 8 at least.
Hi, baby.
Say, mama.
You have such an active little social life for two.
My ears just popped.
Did they?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
mine too.
Come on, baby. Over here.
Oh, that thing up there too. You didn't see that?
What do you guys think?
This is breathtaking.
And we're just in the lobby, huh? It's the views. That's the Staples Center. So where Kobe and them play basketball and stuff. Used to. Wow, baby, look. The last time we were here, you were in mommy's belly. You were in my belly. Hey, hey, no. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Yay.
I feel unworthy to be.
Don't be. This is where we belong. Every day.
Royalty. Right.
All right, let's roll.
Let's
I'm
roll.
so excited.
You gonna grab a water? Ladies, do you guys want a water? Grab one.
Oh, come with us.
Free water? I can't.
I'm like overwhelmed right now. There's like everything around everything.
So the food smells good here.
The rooftop's open till 10.
See, on the thing it says midnight. This is a lie. They shutting my plans down. They shutting my plans down all early.
No, stay.
Uh-oh.
We're good.
We're on 59,
Yeah.
You know, press the call.
Yeah, still shoot. That's still up there.
right?
Yeah, girls are like, okay.
Okay. They should have.
Party, party, party. Let's all get.
Come on, everybody. Yaddy, 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 yaddy.
You gonna have fun running.
I'm gonna need a discount because that 5 is booty.
He was like, yeah, the pool's already closed, but it'll open at 8. I said, man, I'm going to the ocean tomorrow. Uh-oh, here we go.
I'm the first one.
I know.
I know you know. I'm sorry. I'm excited. It's not a corner room like we had before.
But maybe
See that?
Hold on, let's put one in. Here. Damn.
I'm
okay?
sorry. This part hit her.
Come here.
It's okay.
Take it.
Oh.
For what?
The light.
Okay. Way smaller.
Oh, there it is. There's a mirror. Well, we also had like a wedding. You know, we requested that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Dang.
Nobody wants to.
Look.
Can we put our stuff down there? Or we?
Hold on, just hold it for a second.
Okay.
Look at the view on this. Dang. Look, we got the helicopters too. That's dope.
Yeah, Nora, isn't it cool?
Excuse me.
Sorry.
So we got 2 beds,
Come look down.
1 TV,
kinda like
1
Disney.
desk.
Let Marcy.
I'm gonna be real. It's not as fancy as we had. But the point he made was that we were getting married, so it makes. So you got a shower, standalone shower, and right next to it you have a soaking bath. Always a plus. There's streaks on my mirror. I hate that. Okay. So, slide. See how this looks kind of with the
Oh
light.
my gosh. It's right. The AC's right here.
Oh yeah.
I would definitely consider this hotel to be modern luxury.
Nobody walks.
Hooks, important. Hooks are important.
Wow, look at the cars.
Only 1 robe. 4 people here, and the robe is torn. Okay, and one last look at the whole room. This hotel definitely is a modern luxury hotel. You guys like it?
It's amazing.
Dang.
Why am I underwhelmed? Alright, signing off. It's also the tallest building in California with the highest rooftop bar west of the Mississippi River. The pool bar is open. That's what's up. I should pay attention because I don't have my big lens on, so forgive me, you guys. So we got like a patio situation. And of course, it's a nice view over there from what I remember last time. Hi, baby. Just showing the people what to expect if they come to the Intercontinental, downtown LA. So we got jacuzzi on the furthest, and then that's a nice pool. This is the no dive bar. It's very spacious and cute. And it's open. One of the things that are open. Oh, it looked like my husband and them are actually around the pool, so. Come on, baby. Hold my hand. Can you hold my hand? Go to daddy. Manny! The view the same? I was right there at the jacuzzi steps when I found out you're not allowed to be in the jacuzzi while you're pregnant. I almost cried. Got a little fire pit right here, super cute. I probably would have definitely had a moment right here. Super cute. Facing in a reflection. And this is still our hotel. Look how much further up. Isn't that ridiculous, you guys? I don't know what this is. A little garden or something. Then the city. City of LA. That's my city. That's my city. Come on, baby. Come on. Airplane extra close. Jump. Jump. Say hi. Jump. Woo! That's a big jump. Say have a good day. Bye-bye. Yeah, so overall we had a beautiful stay and it was a great place for family. Yeah. I would say a little pricier for the family if you're not going to really utilize the hotel. Go see Daddy. You see the pool? Looks like they switched the towels. Their towels used to be those striped ones. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Papa. We had an amazing time. Hollywood Ballroom. Alright, so we're about to go right back into the entrance. You want to see what this escalator? I think it goes to the garden. Papa ready to eat. Now this is dope. I told the girls this is a perfect place to race, to do the TikTok videos, to do the cartwheels. You guys did? Father, you won this time?
And also, the hotel really isn't that old, just being completed in the year 2017.
Oh, the bride's room for the people getting married. So this is the gym.
It's called Attitude, I guess.
It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Got a little cafe situation here. Valet drop off right there. Valet pickup down that elevator. This is if you walk out the front.
If this is your first video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our family so you don't miss out. Every Friday I post vlogs, every Monday we're talking about makeup.
There you go. Friendly, friendly. And the girls had a great time. It was a successful family trip, for real, for real. Ugh.